Before any electric motor leaves the factory, it must go through a series of tests. Routine tests and type tests. Let's start with routine tests. These tests are performed on every single motor to verify safety, design, and performance according to IEC 60034 standards. First, visual inspection. We check the nameplate, earthing, cooling fan, bearings, shaft alignment, fixing points, cable entries, and any physical damage. Next, insulation resistance test. Using a Megger, we measure phase-to-earth and phase-to-phase insulation. We apply 500 volts DC for low-voltage motors and higher DC voltage for high-voltage motors. The insulation resistance must be above 1 megam, preferably much higher. Then, winding resistance measurement. This test helps detect unbalanced windings or poor electrical connections. After that, the high voltage or high pot test. A high AC voltage is applied for 60 seconds to confirm the dielectric strength of the insulation and ensure no breakdown occurs. Next, direction of rotation. The motor is briefly energized to confirm it rotates in the required direction. Then comes the no-load test. The motor runs at rated voltage and frequency without mechanical load. We measure no-load current, voltage, and power. We also check vibration and noise levels using vibration sensors and a sound meter. Finally, shaft voltage measurement. This helps prevent bearing currents and avoid premature bearing failure. Now let's move to type tests. Type tests are performed once per motor design, usually on a prototype or the first unit. They include all routine tests plus advanced performance evaluations, like the locked rotor test, where starting current, torque, losses, noise, and vibration are measured. Then the temperature rise test. The motor runs at full load to ensure the windings and bearings stay within safe temperature limits. We also perform full load performance tests and torque curve measurements. Another important test is the overspeed test. The motor runs at 120% of its rated speed to verify mechanical strength. And finally, air gap measurement. This ensures the rotor is perfectly centered to prevent vibration, noise, and efficiency loss. In short, routine tests protect every motor. Type tests protect the design itself. That's everything you need to know about electric motor testing. Follow ArtEngine for more educational content.